Hey folks, this is CP 1983. Today I bought home this vintage mid-century Westinghouse fan from a swap meet in Carshow. It is a single speed, very quiet. It's got the usual wear and tear for a fan this age, but it still works. Here, I'll demonstrate it. I'm very excited to join the YouTube vintage fan community. This is going to be my first video. As you can see, fan is very, very quiet. And I have to watch it so little Miss Sapphire doesn't chew on a cord. Because she likes to do that. So, I hope everybody liked this video.